This is Scott Whitwam with your morning real estate investor update. And today's top story, weatherproofing your house. Each geographical area of our country has a unique weatherproofing requirement. In northern and higher elevations, snow loads are an issue. In many regions, sub-zero temperatures are an issue. And of course, tornadoes in the Midwest and hurricanes in the Gulf and East Coast. As technologies advance, so do building designs and construction materials. Wind and water pose a great threat to roof systems. Retrofitting an existing home is more complicated than building a new one with regional weather-resistant systems. If you're in a hurricane or other high-wind region, being proactive and reinforcing weather resistance to your home can be a great benefit. Replacing windows with impact-resistant ones, installing additional roof bracing, particularly at the gables and eaves, upgrading the roofing underlayment and materials. An architect and engineer can help you create a watertight plan. Today's mortgage rate update. The Fed has missed the boat. They acted too slowly on rate increases in 2022 as the government spent money without restraint. Then they cut rates too steeply before inflation was under control. Now they're faced with rising inflation and bad economic numbers. And they have all but said that they're going to cut rates again this month. Do they have the resolve to hold off on another rate cut? Try to get inflation back to their self-proclaimed target? Calm the mortgage market bonds and allow rates to begin to settle back down where they were headed just 4 weeks ago? Freddie Mac is reporting the 30-year fixed mortgage national average for the last week ended at 6.54%, up from 6.44% the previous week. And the 15-year was also up, ending the week at 5.71% compared to 5.63% the week previous. In today's wrap-up, commercial space is under pressure. Even after COVID-19, as people reported to office spaces, this has not strengthened the commercial office space market. According to an article in U.S. News, they detailed that spending on commercial space is down 14.8%, and lodging facilities are off 10.6%. The Census Bureau data paints a gloomy picture for those two sectors. So how is inflation playing in the overall profitability of these commercial investing sectors? According to the report, average asking rents rose nearly 13% since the start of 2020. This is still well below the cumulative inflation rate of over 20% for the same time period. Higher interest rates to renew loans and a glut of empty spaces makes it no surprise that more office landlords are in a distressed situation. Be sure to subscribe to the Morning Real Estate Investor Update and catch me on the weekly Whitwam Wealth Real Estate Podcast.